Here's interesting app. It's called Reflex. So it's going in the charts. Flexible retail work, as you can see, it quite high in the charts. The best way to work in retail. Discover the ultimate app for retail professionals looking to elevate their careers and boost their income. With Reflex, you can easily find rewarding work opportunities the brands you love, get paid quickly and work on your own terms, sign up for free and join hundreds of workers from the top retail brands. Set your own schedule, customize your schedule, and find work that fits your day-to-day life. Whether you're looking for part-time, full-time, or flexible hours, Reflex connects you with retail gigs that align with your availability and preferences. Take control of your work-life balance like never before. Get paid the next day. Say goodbye for waiting for your paycheck. Reflex ensures that you get paid more than traditional retail jobs. You receive your earnings the next day. Build your retailer resume. I'll be the first to know. So here is the app. And then you can just go and sign up. And the idea is that you can literally just, you like this specific brand and you select and you can work with retail with those guys. And then just instant payout and just get paid in few days. And it's super easy, flexible jobs. Obviously, maybe these are not easy jobs. These are retail jobs, but quick way to earn some additional cash and find a lot of gigs. You can get jobs and fun way to make money. And you like some clothing brand, you can just go and work with them in retail. And maybe you can additionally earn some gigs with them, maybe even get some nice full-time job with them, maybe add some additional merch from them. So yeah, that's the idea.